How to connect Facebook account using Connect method with BitSocial. So, this is the BitSocial dashboard. Navigate to the Accounts section. Click on the Connect Account button. Now we see different types of social media platforms. There are two options for connecting a Facebook account. Now click on the Connect button under Facebook. Choose the business you want to access in BitSocial. Click on Continue. Choose the pages you want to access in BitSocial. Click on Continue. Finally, click on the Save button. Your Facebook account will be displayed in the pop-up. Click on the Save button. You will see a Facebook account connect in BitSocial account section. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.